What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm looking at a Queen Cité knife. As you can see there, this is the Queen of the City. A nice Granddaddy Barlow. Very nice. The jigging is very well done, in my opinion. It does have this gap back here running the length. That's too bad. It didn't come with a box either. Kind of some weird weights. Real soft there. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Soft. Open this up. I also haven't really cleaned it or lubed it yet. The person I bought it from smeared mineral oil all over the blades. So I think he's one of those people that's how they store things. They just like drench them in mineral oil. I don't do that because I am a civilized man. Looking for my, oh, found it. All right, guys, we'll get some 3.5, cutting edge of about 3, 4.5 handle with a bolster of about, I would say, I don't know, 3/4? I don't know. Pretty nice. I'm going to say it's pretty nice. I will bust out the Granddaddy Barlow I have from Marbles, and we'll see how it fits in with this one. And this one I got through, and you won't believe this. You guys won't believe this. This was up for 100. I threw an offer of 80, and had he shot it down, I just would have bought it. But he accepted, or she, but probably a he, let's be real. And so yeah, I got a nice little deal. Nice little dealio. Nice little dealio. Well, thanks for sticking with me to the end. It's about all she wrote for this one. And I hope you folks have a great rest of your day. Bye now.